We are joined once again in this show by attorney Larry Brock from the Larry Brock Law Offices out of Chino, California. And Larry, every show you talk to us about the various aspects of estate planning, which is something that unfortunately people don't think about until it's too late or not at all. But if you had to consolidate everything, what matters most?
Saying it that way, what matters most is consolidating, but it's also opening it up into an area that traditionally people don't think of when they think of estate planning. They think of estate planning as financial planning or protecting and growing your money. Estate planning, which is preparing your money to give it to the family. Mm-hmm. But what matters is preparing your family to receive their inheritance.
Preparing them. How do you prepare them?
By letting them know who you are and what matters most to you.
Oh.
What do you value? Ron, what's one of your values? I'm putting you on the spot.
Well, my kids and my kids' long-term welfare is a value. Personal value is integrity, honesty, ethics, giving back.
All of those things. That's a hard question to answer when you put on the spot. What are your values and what means most to you? Mm-hmm. So I've developed a tool to help you identify what matters most to you, where I've come up and identified about 32 different values that are common, and it allows you to narrow them down until you come to the most important one, and we take that value, something about it, there's a story to that value. Mm-hmm. Now, what is it? And we tell that story, and then we work that into the legal documents that are part of the estate plan. And we go back and get the values that are a little one step up and back again, so that estate plan that at one time was just a bunch of legal documents
about money,
now it's a document that talks about the values. You said integrity was one mm-hmm. of the values that's important to you. Mm-hmm. When did you first start thinking about integrity? Are you like I am, where as a kid it was kind of shown to us by what our parents did and how they lived our lives? Well, when as an adult did it click mm-hmm. in your mind that you are going to be a person of integrity?
And you know what I love about this? Because you're right. Normally it's just a bunch of legal documents about money. Now it's really, truly a legacy. Not just about money, but about a way of life and a hope or an expectation of a future life for the people that are inheriting
That's right.
the money.
And that's what I mean when you say prepare the family for their inheritance. Because they see the legal document. Let them look at it, but it has the message in there that when you use this money, think about maintaining your integrity. Honesty. What's the difference between honesty and integrity? And there is a slight difference mm-hmm. in many people's mm-hmm. minds. To somebody, that may be important to them to pass that message on to your 18-year-old child. Mm-hmm. Now, your 18-year-old child. Now, my youngest is 21. Mm-hmm. Don't know if you would turn the keys over to a Corvette to a 21-year-old or an 18-year-old.
Well, or certainly if I had a great deal of wealth, want him to get that all in one lump sum at 18 or 21.
And without any guidance of how to use it. Right. And when you talk about what matters, we create that guidance not only to the child who's going to get it, but to the trustee who's going to administer it. So the trustee knows this is what's important. This is how to guide my child during the formative years where they're finishing their maturity.
Even though I'm not there personally to do it anymore.
Even though you're not there.
I love that. If someone wants to get more information on this special plan that helps guide your values through this process, how would they get a hold of you?
Just call the office or go to our website, trustandprobatelawyers.com, and we'd be happy to talk to you. We'll send you out this exercise for identifying the values that matter most to you.
I love it. What a great idea. Larry, thank you so much.
Enjoyed it.
We will be right back.